Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in front of me a portable monitor that I've just purchased. I bought this for around $200 in Australia. This is the Viewsonic VA1655. Let's open the box and see what's in it. Alright, so comes with a USB Type-C cable, a HDMI cable, a quick guide, a pouch, and the monitor itself. Now, the monitor itself is an IPS panel with a resolution of 1920 by 180, so it's basically full HD. The display size is 16 inches, but the actual viewable area is about 15.6. The actual weight of it is 700 grams. It is Android and iOS compatible. It comes with a 3.5 millimeter out, and also has 60 hertz of refresh rate. Now, if you have any questions in regards to this product, put them down in the comments. I will answer them as best as I can. Thank you again.